Hi guys! In this video I want to show you how to correctly score and attach lines in a box or in a file in Cricut. Okay, the first thing we have to do is upload the file, so we are going to click Upload, Upload Image, browse to choose it among our files, save it and choose the SVG file. Then double click it to select it. Let's see, in this particular case, it has some green lines that are going to be the ones that we are going to score. Not all the files are going to come with the green lines. You have to make sure to read the instructions of your Porsche. So now we are going to load it into the program, select it, and add it to the design space. When we already have it in the design space, we must ungroup it. There are two ways to ungroup them. You can right-click on it, or in the right panel, simply click on the Ungroup button. Now we see that the lines that look at green are black, but if you click on them, you will see that they are green. When you select it, you go to the menu at the top where it says Operation, and you're going to place the lines in a score. So you're going to do the same procedure with each of the pieces that you know you should fold. After you already have all the lines in a score, you're going to select the piece to which you're going to do the folds and the scored lines, and you're going to click on the right panel to attach. You're going to do this with each piece. I'm going to repeat it again. You have to select the piece you're going to fold and the scored lines and click to attach. If you don't, look at what will happen when you cut it. The scoring lines go to the current area on their own. It is for this reason that you must select the scored lines at the pieces to be able to attach them, and that when you sending to go together and cut and score perfectly. And that's it. You can do all your projects with peace of mind. I hope this information will help you. Remember to give me a like and subscribe for more tips.